Welcome back. Shane here with Modern Warrior Project, and in this video I'm going to cover a pretty cool water treatment filter. I guess it's a little different than a lot of the ones you've seen out there. It's called the Puribag Pro System. So if you're looking at potentially having a long stay somewhere, or even a larger populace, not super large populace, but a larger populace that you need to service water to, then this is a great option to consider. So it's a little unique product, so I'm going to spend a little time talking through it. As we open it up, we've got P&G purifier of water. These are little packets, and each one of these packets I think is good for 2.5 gallons of water. Yeah, 2.5 gallons or 10 liters of water for treating them. So these are kind of independent. You can use these together independent, and it all makes sense as we go through this. And so you also have a large water bladder here. You see a pretty good sized water bladder. And you have some clamps and a hose and some instructions. So the way this thing works, and I'm going to pair this with some B footage I'll go get here in just a little bit. But the way this thing works is I'm going to go and I'll open up the bag right here, and I can put nasty water in here. Now obviously if I have the choice, I want to pick the least nasty water that I can, but I can put pretty turbid water in here and seal it up. And once I seal it up, I just basically pop the water in here, fold this thing over right here, and then I will push this through and seal it up. And oh, sorry, I forgot a stage. Put the water in here, then I'm gonna cut one of these packets, stick it in here, seal it up, shake it up for 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna hang it and let it do its magic. And as you'll see, the water it'll look cloudy or whatever, but with some time it'll start to settle, and all of the nastiness is going to settle into the bottom of that, and this purifying agent is going to do its work, and it's cleaning out the water. Then we just clamp on here. Actually, we twist it up, clamp on, and we can dump out the nasty, close it back up, and then essentially the water is good to drink. Now I said it's kind of two systems in one, independent. So we also have here a portable straw type filter. So it's kind of similar to a Sawyer filter. It looks like it's black flushable as well. I'm assuming that syringe is for. So this I can use with this hose independent. So I can screw this onto a bottle and filter water directly from the bottle, skipping all these other stages. This hose can attach to this, and I can attach this filter here with the hose, and I can have it as a secondary means of filtration, basically hitting that water from a couple angles and getting it truly, ridiculously clean, I guess, bottled water clean at that point. Or I can also utilize this with this hose and drink it straight from the source, kind of like you would with any other type of a straw filter setup. And so that is the Puribag Pro System. I don't think I will, for me, I'm not going to carry this in my inch bag because it's just bigger than what I need as one individual. I have enough ways to filter water for myself, and all of my family have similar setups. So I don't need something of this size in my bag or this ability. However, where this will go will be in our loadout kit. So I have loadout kits for I have stages for different kinds of evacuations, if you will, or bugging out scenarios, and I have loadout kits, and this will go into a vehicle loadout kit in the event that we're lucky enough to load out with a vehicle. Not that you're lucky if you have to leave, but this will go into one of those kits, because I could see this definitely being beneficial if you end up stationary at any particular location for any kind of time, just to have a good setting water source there with quite a bit of quantity available to you. So that's it. That's the Puribag Pro System. I'll leave a link in the description below. if you get a chance and you want one, please use that link. That it's an affiliate link. I'm not sponsored or anything like that by this system, but it's something I like, and I use Amazon affiliate links to help monetize this channel. If you like this video and you like our material, please give it a like, subscribe, and if there's something in particular you'd like to see us cover, let me know, and that's what I'll do. Thank you, and until next time, stay preppy.